Hi there, and welcome to another episode of Andy Robinson RC. And on today's show, we have got this, which is a pretty new release by Tamiya. This is the Tamiya TT02FT, or the Landfrieder Quadtrack. So yeah, I got this probably about a week ago now, and I've just got out with a chance to do a quick video for you with it. So as you can see, we're well, I say we're on the beach, but we're actually at the sand dunes near St Anne's on the Foul Coast, and I thought this would be a good place to bring it so you can see it in action. Okay, now before I carry on, I'll just whip the body off and you can have a quick look underneath. Now I haven't built this one because initially I wasn't going to buy it for the channel because it's quite a dear kit for a TT02 kit. It's about £300 thereabout. You can probably get it for a bit less or a bit more depending where you buy your models from. But I found this one as a brand new build on eBay, and it was completely new build, never been used, and the guy was just selling it, no reserve, and I bid on it and I won it, and I paid for a complete package with everything. It cost, I think it was just about £180, so that was an absolute steal compared to what you're paying for the kit. It's got the Tamiya CR Tune 35 turn motor in there, and this one has got a Hobbywing quick run ESC, not the Tamiya one that usually comes with the kit. As you can see, it's sandy already. It does have this nice Lexan cover on it, which should keep the majority of the dirt out of the chassis, and you're just going to get it gummed up in your traction on your wishbones really. But that's what it looks like. Now just having a quick drive of it there and shaking all the sand out, it does feel like it needs a much stronger, more high torque servo in it, so that's going to be on the shopping list for this, because the one that comes with it is just a cheap electronics one. It really isn't up to the job. What else can I say? Yeah, so that's going to be changed. And also it's a shame because it's such a dear kit, it just comes with these friction pogo shocks which don't really do much job of dampening. So again, we're going to put some nice oil shocks on this, and that hopefully will improve the ride and articulation. And I think for that, chassis wise, that's all we're going to do to it. But the main thing is, now I'm sure some of you will recognise this body shell. This is on the CC01 cross-country chassis. This is called the Landfrieder, and it's also the same body they used on the original Bush Devil, which was an ORV chassis from the early 90s, and also they released it on the WR01 chassis with the Bush Devil 2. Now I love the Bush Devil, so what I'm planning to do is, because I'm not a big fan of these graphics, I'm going to turn it into a Bush Devil tribute truck. So that is the plan for it. So I think that'll look nice. I've got some MCI Repro decals on the way, so all this is coming off, and we're going to make it look like the Bush Devil. It's going to have a better servo and some nice oil shocks in there, and then we'll be able to bring it out and compare and see what it's like after those modifications. Now I'll just quickly put this body back on, and then we'll have a little drive around, and I might even attempt to see if we can get up that hill. We'll see what it's like. Now also, when you get the kit, it comes with two options for the tracks. You either get the standard tracks, which are on it now, or it does come with the option to build the grouser tracks, as they call them, and they have the like stick up ridges going down the centre of the tracks, and that helps it probably grip onto you know, different terrains. It's probably actually better for sand use really, but it is what it is. And to be honest, I am not taking those tracks to pieces, and it's another thing that actually put me off from building this, because I didn't fancy doing all that, because it is a real time-consuming job. Anyway, let's follow this about a bit, and we'll see how far it can go. I mean, it's got quite a bit of low-down torque, but I think we'll see how. Yeah, you see it does bog down. It does really need the grouser tracks on for this sort of soft sand. I am running a 5000 milliamp 7.2 volt battery, Again, I'm not sure how charged it is because I was using it for racing on the weekend. So next time around, I'll make sure it's fully charged. It isn't a fast thing anyway, because it's geared low. But it is certainly quite fun. I quite like this, just trailing around on the sand. So I think we'll hit somewhere. Go up there. But I said the steering lock is really not very good on this because again, it's got tracks on and the fact the servo is pretty weak. Yeah, I think the grouchy tracks would help. Oh, we've got a helicopter. Please. Okay, anyway, I'll bring this back down. Right, okay, as I said, falling over myself here now. It was only a short video just to show you this. Okay, because I want to do some mods to try and improve it. And as I said, we'll bring it back out once we've improved it and it's got its new livery. So there you go, that is the Quadtrack land freed on the TT02FT chassis. It is really quite cool, I'm enjoying that. And I think also as well we might pit it against my Conquered, which you haven't seen yet, and that's 6-wheel drive. We might bring that out as well for the next video. Anyway, but there you go, that's the Quadtrack. Hope you enjoyed this short video. Thanks for watching, much appreciated always. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel, hitting the like button and notification bell, and come and find us on Facebook and on Instagram. Right, I'll see you soon. Look after yourselves. Take care. See you later.